Hey friends, welcome back to this session. Today in this session, we will solve some important mathematical question. Our first question here is, if the price of sugar is increased by 25%, sugar price increased by 25%, by what percentage must consumption be reduced so that the expenditure remains same? We can solve this type of problem by two methods. First one is tricky method and one is elaborative method. First we will solve by tricky method. We can solve this problem by two methods. First method is tricky method and second method is elaborated. Now the first method. Here increase is 20%, so reduction percentage will be R divided by 100 plus R multiplied by 100 and percentage. This is the formula when the prices increases so that it will be decreases in amount. Now R here is 25, so we'll write 25 divided by 100 plus R is 25, so it is 25 multiplied by 100. So now it is in the numerator it is 25, 125 multiplied by 100 and it is in percentage. Now we can cancel it by 25, 1 and here 5 and 5 will cancel by 20. So in the numerator we are left with 20% and the reduction amount will be 20%. This is our answer of the question. Option number B is correct. Now the elaborative method. Let the earlier price is 100. For 100 we have got 1 kg. Now the amount increases by 25%. It is increases by 25%. So it will be 125. Now in 125 we are purchasing 1 kg. Now in 125 rupees we are purchasing 1 kg of sugar or 1000 gram of sugar, right? Now for 1 rupees we will be purchasing 1000 divided by 125. Now 100 rupees, in 100 rupees we will be allowed to purchase 1000 divided 125 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. Now we'll cancel it by 5 and here it is 4. Now cancelling by 5 it is 2 times and 2 0. Now it will be equal to 800 grams. Now the reduction is from 1000 gram to 800 gram, means reduction of 200 gram, right? 200 gram in 1000 gram. For percentage we multiplied by 100. Now cancelling 20, 20, 10 and 10. Now it is 20%. Hope both the method is clear for you. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question here is, a man sells 2 articles at a same price for 9,900 each. One he gains 10% and other he loses 10%. What is the net result? Now for solving this type of problem, there is no need for this price when the gain percentage and loss percentage is equal. For the same selling price with gain and loss, there will be always loss, and percentage of loss will be x divided by 10 powered by 2, and x here is 10, so it is 10 divided by 10 powered by 2. 10 and 10 cancels by 1 and 1 square is 1, so percentage loss here will be 1% loss. Option number B is correct. Now next question, the question number 3. The ratio of present age of A and B 4:5. After 10 years, the ratio becomes 5:6. What is present age? Now let the present age of A is 4x. Therefore, the present age of B will be 5x. Now after 10 years, the age of A will be 4x plus 10, right? And therefore, the age of B after 10 years will be 5x plus 10. This is the age after 10 years. And the ratio given here after 10 years is 5:6. So this divided by 5 and this one divided by 6. Now we'll solve this question. Now we'll cross multiply 5 into 5, 25x plus 50 equals 4 6 24x plus 60. Now we'll take this 25 in the left hand side. So 25 minus 24 will be 1. So x is equal to, in the right hand side, 60 minus 50 will be 10. So the value of x is 10. Now in the question they have asked the present age of A. Present age of A 4x. So 4 multiplied by x value is 10. 4 multiplied 10, 40. 40 years. Option number C. Option number C is correct. Now next question. Now question number 4. In how many years will a sum double at simple interest of 10% per annum? So principal doubles means the interest will be equal to principal. So we know the value of time. Time formula is SI multiplied by 100 divided by principal multiplied by rate of interest. Now SI is P. So P multiplied by 100 divided by P multiplied by R. R given here is 10%. So it is 10. Now cancelling P and P, 10 and 0. And that is equal to 10. So 10 years. 10 years is the correct answer. Option number C, 10 years is correct. Now the next question. And here it is. Find the compound interest on 10,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum. Compounded annually. Now if the principal is 100, so the amount will be 110, right? 110 for the 1 year. Now we'll cancel it by 0 and 0. Now for 2 years we'll multiply 10 and 10 and here 11 and 11. So 10 multiplied 10 will be 100 and amount will be 11 multiplied 11 is 121. So interest here will be, so the interest will be amount minus principal. So here 121 minus 100 will be, interest will be 21 for 2 years. Now the if principal is 100, then the interest will be 21. For 10,000 it will be, for 10,000 it is 100 times. So we'll multiply it by 100. So 21 multiplied by 100, it will be 2100, right? So option number B, 2100 is the correct answer. Option number B. Now similarly we will move to the next question. Our next question here is, A can do a piece of work in 12 days. B can do the same work in 18 days. If they work together, how many days will they take? Now here A completes in 12 days and B completes the work in 18 days. Now for total work, we take LCM of these two. LCM of 18 and 12 is 36. Our 36 will be the total work. Now efficiency we will divide total work by number of days of A. Now efficiency of A will be 36 divided by 12 will be 3. Now efficiency of B 36 divided by 18 is 2. Now for both of them, total time is equal to total work divided by efficiency. Efficiency of A and B is 3 and 2 is 5 and total work is 36. Now 36 divided by 5. 5 7 ja 35, remaining 1 point and 1 10. So it will be 5 2 ja 10. So 7.2 days. 7.2 days. Option number B is correct. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is now question number 7. A train 150 meter long is running at a speed of 54 km per hour. How much time will it take to cross a 250 long platform? So total distance to be covered by the train will be 150, its own length plus platform length is 250. So total length or distance will be 400 meters. And the speed given here is in kilometer per hour. The speed is 54 kilometer per hour. Now for converting it into meter per second, it will be multiplied by 5 by 18. Now we'll cancel it by 18. 18 3 times is 54. So 3 multiplied 5 is 15 meter per second. Now we'll have to calculate the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance we have 400 meters and speed in meters is 15, right? Now we'll cancel it by 5. So 5 3 times 15, 5 8 40 and 0. So it is 80 divided by 3. Now if we'll cancel it by 26, 3 times is 78. So it is 26.2 divided by 3 is 66. Now 26.66, option number C. 26.67 will be the correct answer. Option number C is correct. Now the next question, and question number 8 here is the average age of 30 students is 15 years. If the teacher's age is included, the average increases by 1 year. Find the teacher's age. Now the total age of 30 students is 30 multiplied by 15, right? Now total age after including the teacher, total age plus teacher, the numbers becomes now 30 and one teacher will be 31 and the age increased by 1. Now the age will be 15 and 1, that will be 16 years. Now total age is 31 multiplied by 16. So now total age 16 1 ja 16, carry 1, 16 3 ja 48 and 1 49. And earlier total age was 15 multiplied by 30, it is 45 and 0. Now the age of teachers will be total age including teachers minus total age. So it will be 496 minus 450. So it will be 46 years. The correct answer 46, option number C is correct. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is now question number 9. A and B invest 50,000 and 45,000 respectively. After 4 months, A withdraws half of his investment. Find the ratio of profit at the end of the year. So here 2% A and B invest. A invest 50,000, B invest 45,000, right? Now we can cancel 3 zeros and 3 zeros here. Now this 50 is for 4 months. So we'll multiply it by 4. And after 4 years, the amount reduces to half, means 25, and this 25 will run for 8 months for the N1. And here in the right hand side, B is total share for 12 months. Now we can cancel it by 4, and here it is 2, here it will be 3. Now 50 multiplied by 1, 50 plus 25, 2 times is 50. And 45 times 3 is 135. Now 50 and 50 is 100. This to 135. Cancelling by 5, it is 20 and it is 27. So 20 is to 27. Option number B is correct. Now moving to the next question. Question number 10. Pipe A fills a tank in 20 minutes while pipe B empties it in 30 minutes. If both are opened together, how long it will take to fill the tank? Now we can solve this type of questions. A can fill in 20 minutes, right? And B empties, so it will be negative and 30 minutes. Now LCM of these two, LCM will be 60 will be total tank capacity. Now efficiency of A. Efficiency of A is 60 divided by 20 is 3. Efficiency of B 60 divided by 30 is 2. So it is plus and it is minus. Now total efficiency will be 3 minus 1 will be 1. Now total time is equal to total tank is 60 divided by efficiency is 1. So it is 60 divided by 1 is 60. Option number C, 60 minutes is the correct answer of the question. Question number 11. If a number that is 5, 4, 3, 2, x, 7 is divisible by 9, find the value of x. Now sum of digit of this number 5, 4, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 12 and 2, 14, 14 and 7, 21. So it is 21 plus x. Now the next multiple of 9 after 21 is 9 3s are 27. So 27 minus 21 will be 6. So correct answer of the value of x will be 6. So option number B, 6 is our correct answer. Now the next question, question number 12. The LCM of two numbers is 480 and HCF is 160. If one number is 480, the other number will be, now we know the number 1 multiplied by number 2 becomes HCF multiplied by LCM or LCM multiplied by HCF. Here number 1 is given, it is 480 multiplied by number 2, that will be equal to LCM is 480, HCF given here is 160. So 480 and 480 cancels, N2 becomes 160. So option number B, 160 is correct. So friends, this ends for today. If the video is useful for you, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.